Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Sony TV if it won't turn on and you're just seeing a blinking red light. The first thing I want you to do is look around on your Sony TV, usually on the back, the side, or the top. There are a whole bunch of buttons there that have the power, the volume, etc. The procedure I'm going to show you most likely will fix your problem. However, this will reset all your settings and any apps you loaded on here, you'll have to reload again. Once you've located those buttons, I want you to unplug your TV from the wall and let it sit there for about 30 seconds. Then I want you to hold down the power button and the volume down buttons and then re-plug in the TV. Now keep holding those buttons while you plug it in and let it power up for about 30 seconds or so. And then you can release the buttons. This should do a full reset of your TV. One quick note, if you do not have a volume down button on your TV, just press the power button for the 30 seconds. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.